Here's a drag demo. Keep an eye on the foreground in the icons. Very hard to see, but they are moving, I promise. But on the non-adaptive icons, you'll notice that there's like this little lip that appears on the bottom. See it hitting right above the H? Oh, the Aura one. Take a look at that one. And the Viral. And the Candy Cons. So you can truly see which ones are adaptive icons and which ones are just bitmap drawables, because you're going to get the best movement out of them. But the fact that the launcher icon is trying to do its best to react as a whole icon, taking older legacy icons and doing something with it instead of just ignoring it. That is what I love about this launcher icon that I've put together. It's trying its best to recreate a newer type of icon so that nothing is falling behind. I do want to try something really quick. I want to see what happens if I enable monochrome. So monochrome mode is the equivalent now of simple mode on Pixel devices. How do I enable that? I forgot how. Oops. We can leave that as default. Oh, there it is. I'm going to set that to true. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's wild. Let's see, oh, maybe that was it, set, shit. Nope, not that. Help me out, Gemini. Set activity, tint, base color, yes. Oh crap, I got rid of the colors. Let's just do blue. Color, blue? No, big blue. Blue. Shit. Okay. I want to see if the icons are actually rendering and just hidden. Yep. That was it. So, with simple mode on, oh, we can actually see the progress views. That's no good. I'll have to fix that. With simple mode on Pixel devices, if your icon doesn't have a monochrome mode or a monochrome icon available, it just skips it, and then it just leaves the icon as is. You coming to help? With these launcher icons, it does its best to try to mimic a monochrome icon. So what it'll do is it'll take the icon, it'll take the color and extract it from it, turn it into a grayscale, and then tint it over with the color that we're going to be using for our base. So in that case, it would be like a wallpaper color. I don't think these ones react to touch. They're not doing much because the foreground icon would be moving. But I like the simplicity. I like how they look. They do need some work. I do need to increase the foreground scale a little bit so we can jack that up a little bit. But there's simple mode. I'm really excited to get started on the next launcher, but I just got to be patient a little bit because these icons are going to be the center of the show. These icons are just going to make up about 45% of the launcher experience. What these launchers do, come on, cat. Trying to get love and you're tangled in my cables. But these launcher icons are going to be the center of the show. What they do for the user, what they represent, what they show, how they react to touch, movement, visibility, when you're dragging them, all sorts of things. I want them to be why you use this next launcher. Because most people who make an Android launcher, they're just going to do an image view and a label view and say, that's it, we're just going to use the adaptive durables from the Android system. There you go. No, there's about 12 different classes currently created for that little view. And I'm really excited to get it working. So let's get rid of that. We'll put this back to gradient. And we'll go back to normal. Oh. I have gradient or monochrome mode still enabled, so that's interesting. If I set it to gradient mode, all the adaptive icons are modified for the case, but if it's a legacy icon, it is nulled out. That's interesting. And the progress bars are still visible, which means that when monochrome mode is enabled, the progress bar is not properly disabled. So we just debugged something. Awesome. I'll take care of that.